Boom. What's up, y'all? What's up, y'all? What's crack lag and the king is back. Crypto King is back. Give you guys an update on the crypto market and Bitcoin, you know what I'm saying? What's up, y'all? Last time I actually just tweeted you guys recently about DXY. DXY just fucking shot up yesterday, went up, skyrocketed up, but it fucking dipped down really, really hard too. It now has this long green sell wick, which is kind of interesting, guys. Kind of interesting, guys. Still, I expect more further downside for us. Bitcoin did have a nice little bounce recently from like 33 or something, well back to 39. Everyone's getting all bullish again. I'm like, hey man, calm down. We're still at this resistance. I still think that, like I said, there's still further downside. There's a lot of things happening. I don't know why. I'm watching a lot of other crypto YouTube guys and people, and I don't know how they still so bullish every fucking time shit be going fucking down, and especially if there's no real signs. Like, like I don't know how these other guys still talking like, oh, we're bouncing back right now. We're going to fucking. I'm like, yo, do you guys not see what the fuck's happening with the world and like in the country and everything right now? Like I said, with everything that's happening with the world, with Ukraine, the war possibly going on, and there's a lot of shit happening, guys. You understand? Like it's gonna affect the markets, guys. I told you guys in the last video how it's gonna affect the market. I'm gonna tell you guys again how if this thing happens with Ukraine and Russia, which is already happening. It's not if it's happening; it's already happening. You guys gotta understand something. Like this is gonna fuck up and slow down the markets even more. How so? Because think about it. Things that are going to come out of Ukraine and Russia now are going to be slowed down. All the imports and exports that's coming out of there. I think like wheat or something from Ukraine and like some precious oils and stuff from natural gas from Russia or something. But basically, now that they're going to war, things are going to be fucking slowed down. Things that that came from Ukraine before are not going to be able to come out of there, temporarily, and it's gonna halt a lot of shit. So supply, it's going to cause more problems for supply chain issues. As you can see, we're already having a bad supply chain issues. A lot of shit can't get shipped and shit can't get to places because it's just getting stuck in a dock or whatever on a shipping, container, whatever the fuck. Well, now it's gonna be getting even worse because now people who need stuff from Ukraine or Russia are gonna either have to wait even longer or go to somewhere else to get these certain supplies. And if they go somewhere else, they might have to pay a little more. And if they pay more, they're gonna hike up prices for whatever product they're making or selling. And if they do that, then you have to pay more too, guys. And that's how it fucking works. Is how things go up. And when people are paying more for small little things like bread or wheat or whatever the fuck it is, they're gonna be less likely to invest, guys. That's just how it fucking works. So yes, guys, this war, this possible war that's happening in Ukraine, is definitely going to affect the markets and definitely going to affect all assets, guys. I don't see anything possibly mooning now, especially with this possibly brewing up. There's just so many things pointing for more market downside, guys. Like I said a few months ago, with China's Evergrande crisis, like 2 3 months ago, the second biggest housing market in China crashing, collapsing, and now with this happening, there's just too many signs of bearishness, guys. So, that's all I'm seeing. So, I don't know. These guys, other guys telling you guys, we're reversing right now. We're going to the fucking moon. I don't know, man. I don't know about these guys. Like, just, for real. I'm trying to be as real with you guys as possible. Like if I really do feel like we're going up, then I'll tell you guys. If I feel like I think we're more down, I'm gonna be real with y'all. I don't know why these motherfuckers ain't being real with y'all, but I'm gonna be real with y'all. You know what I'm saying? So stick with me. I'm gonna be real with y'all. That's what I'm saying. If y'all want real news, if y'all want to just keep being moon boys, like and just want to think we're going to the fucking moon and follow somebody else, because I ain't that type. If I don't see it happen, I'm not gonna tell you guys. All right. So, anyway, so let's just go right to the fucking charts. I'm gonna show you guys what I see in the fucking markets. Where's trading view? Damn, it's all over here. Okay. Let's get right to it, guys. Okay, so what I was telling about DXY. So DXY just did something really interesting. Shot the fuck up from over here, 96, went all the way up to fucking 97.7 and shot back down. You see this long sell wick up here, guys? This long sell wick up top usually means it wants to drop even more, which is happening right now, literally right now as we're speaking. Okay, so pay attention to that. Like I said, DXY is very, very fucking tricky, man. Like it just made new all time high in a long time, basically. Been in a long, long time. So that's saying a lot. But then again, it shot back down really, really hard. Where it's gonna go, I think it can come back to this green line before possibly going up, some more. Like I said, already significantly went above it. So maybe come back and test it again before shooting back up. Or DXY is very tricky, man. It's very volatile. Sometimes it'll go up high as fuck. Like see from here to here, came all the way back down. So it's possible it comes all the way up like this, come all the way back down, maybe even test this fucking orange line over here at 94, which will pump us back up crypto and Bitcoin and stuff basically for temporarily. And then from here, maybe want to shoot the fuck all the way back up to do a double bottom like here, like it reaches this double bottom right here, then a double bottom, boom, boom, shoot it back up. Very possible because look, you go to the past, guys. I'm gonna show you guys what DXY did in the past. Look at this motherfucker, bro. Volatile as shit. Look at this drop right here. It comes all the way drop, all the way down. Oh shit, DXY is going down. It's tanking, psych, and it shot the fuck back up hard as fuck. But eventually it just chilled here, chilled here, chilled here, and then eventually broke back down. See that? So, what the fuck? What was I trying to do? So, it's very, very volatile asset, guys. US dollar, you never know what the fuck's gonna do. But right now, it looks like it's gonna go down temporarily. So, maybe we're gonna have a bounce. But actually, it already did have a little bounce. Look at stocks. Stocks having a bounce right now, a little mini bounce, obviously. But I'm not jumping for joy just yet, guys. Technically we're still, making lower lows. See, lower lows. It's bounce back here, but we get rejected right here and come back down. Well, then again, then it's, we're still on a downtrend, guys. So I show you guys the stocks because it tells us where Bitcoin's going to go. Usually Bitcoin usually trails stocks, so that's what I'm showing you guys. So where Bitcoin is right now, it's right over here. So I had a nice little pump up. Oh, shit. Oh, God, I almost hit my fucking resistance that I was telling you guys about. See this blue line right here that I was telling you guys about? I said this can be act like as a key resistance right now. It looks like it's possible the resistance that it's hitting right now. See, this is what this it was resistance before. Boom, boom, boom over here. Before it broke through it, went all the way up. Now it broke back below it, back below this blue line. So this blue line right here could be resistance again. Come back, get rejected again, boom, boom, but this time come back down. I expected to come back down. I expected to possibly hit this, or really, really once hit like, over here, this yellow line, which would be about 42 at best bet, but I think this is possibly the line that gets rejected around 3940K, which is basically like it already hit, and then come back down. I said I see 32K as the next stop, and if that breaks, which I think it will break, honestly, guys, I don't think it's going to be holding support for too long. 28K will be it, and 28K is the line that we have to hold to stay bullish, basically. Even though, yeah, when it hit 28K, y'all ain't gonna think it's bullish anymore. Like, oh, Bitcoin's at 20K, so be out there. Y'all ain't gonna think it's bullish anymore. I will still think it's technically bullish because look, like I said, guys, it's gonna be dancing on this line since the beginning of COVID. Okay, March 10th, 2020, boom, hit that, boom, drop all the way down, came back down September, boom, boom, before blasting up for 2021 bull run. So, if it comes back down and comes and corrects and stay on this green line and, continues to move up, then yes, then possible, still bullishness. However, if it breaks below that green line, well, then shit, guys, we're going to bear market. Like I said, we're going to go bear market for a while, for a little bit, for a few months, or possibly a few years, or for a year or so at least. It's very, very possible, guys. Okay, let me show you guys this other Bitcoin chart. I want to show you guys also my second one. So I said this yellow line to pay attention to. This big yellow line right here. See this one coming to the top right here. This top yellow line that it's been holding it. Rejected over here. Got rejected over here. Blasted through it. Came back below it. Thought I was going to use that support, but now it got below it again. So right now where it's at, it's basically using this long yellow line right here. It got rejected from it yesterday. Shot back down, and now it's at it again right now. Literally at it, like just right at it. It went above it a little bit. But now it's like literally right in the middle of it. So. It all depends on what it does here. Like I said, what am I expecting? I'm expecting it to possibly, at best go up to here, about 41K, and then drop back down. That's just what I'm seeing with the markets and everything, being all crazy and volatile, like I said. And especially with the SPX that just dropped below its previous point, I think Bitcoin's going to do the same thing. Like I said, Bitcoin's going to follow the SPX. So, usually it trails it a little bit late. So if the SPX was like, only bouncing back up, I feel like Bitcoin's gonna come back down and bounce back up. But I think eventually it's gonna hit that and come back down. Okay. So that's it. That's what I see with Bitcoin. Ethereum's at 26, 28K now. Okay, a nice little bounce, a little bit, a little bit of bounce, but it's basically where it's at. Where Bitcoin's at too, at this green, resistance line right here, basically testing it also. But yeah, everything else is gonna have a little bounce, not too much, not too crazy. If Bitcoin doesn't go anywhere, this is not gonna go anywhere either. It's all mini bounces again. Okay. And you know what? That's it, guys. That's a little update in the market. It's fucking Friday. I'm not trying to take you get too much of your time. I'm sure you guys got shit to do. I got shit to do too. You know what I'm saying? So that's it. If you guys like this video, give me a quick like. Takes 2 fucking seconds. Boom. Click. That wasn't that fucking hard right now. It wasn't. Okay. Now give me a fucking comment and say what's up, King. Anything. Fucking type a letter. I don't give a fuck anything, man. Fuck Jesus. I feel like I'm talking to myself. Fucking shit. All right. And that's it. If you guys new to this, feel free and make sure to subscribe and turn your notifications on. So I'm gonna give you guys updates on crypto, Bitcoin, and the market every single day this year. 365 days of the year. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna check the market so you guys don't have to check it. You know what I'm saying? Give you guys some help. Anyways, that's it. Pay attention to what it does this weekend. Like I said, ultimately I expect further downside, guys, especially with the fucking this crazy crap happening with Ukraine and Russia and like the war, with the world. So, okay. Anyways, that's it, guys. Till next time. Kings out. Peace.